girls, welcome back to my channel. And if you are watching me for the first time, hi, I do post videos on makeup, fashion, reviews, DIYs and much more. So please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my upcoming videos. And also I'm running a giveaway on my channel, and if you would like to participate, please check the rules in the description box. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So today the video is going to be about a skincare haul which I have purchased from Purplle and Nykaa both. So I will combine them and I will show it to you. I will give you all the prices on the screen right now. So this is the first product which I have purchased. This is Chia Seed Advanced Chia Seed collection. You will get 32 ml of toner and 32 ml of Chia Seed Hydro Lotion, and the moisturizer is the 10 ml of the product, and we'll get 10 ml of the moisturizer. So this is how the packaging looks like. So the first product was this around 600 or 700, around it was around 700 rupees, I think so. So this is the first kit which I have purchased. So next, and again it is from Face Shop. It is a rice ceramide moisturizing emulsion of 150 ml bottle hai ye. And I have purchased it for around 700, and Purplle पे उस पर ये offer चल रहा था. If you buy this product or a full size product, you will get this green natural seed antioxidant travel kit का ये free मिला था मुझे. You will get this product free. It is a green natural seed antioxidant travel kit. आपको free मिलेंगे. So when I have purchased this, I got this product free. This is same as Chia Seed travel kit. In this also you will get 32 ml advanced antioxidant toner and a lotion and a moisturizer again. So this is how the tub looks like. So cute. This is like icing on the cake. I have purchased this around 600, and this is also around 680 ka tha, but I have purchased this and I got these products free, guys. So yeah. So next I have purchased, so from Nykaa I have ordered this Wanderlust Japanese Cherry Blossom body mist. I will give you all the price of the product on the screen right now or in the description box. Don't forget to check that out. So आपको 200 ml का product मिलेंगे, and it retails for 3 years का expiry date, and this retails for around 500, and in discount I have purchased around 450 like that. So this smells divine, guys, divine. If you like subtle smells and sweet smells, go for this. This is so sweet, and yeah, it is so subtle and calming. So for me, I really like this product. I am happy that I have invested on this product. So I think the body mist comes under the skincare, right? I think so. So yeah, this is one more product. Next I have purchased this Alps Goodness ka charcoal face mask, and this is the product, guys. You have to try this out. You will get 29 grams of product at the rupees 72, I think so.
A few moments later.
It retails for rupees 99, but in the discount I have purchased it around 60 or 70, around 75, around, I think so. This is the Alps Goodness charcoal face mask, and this works like wonder, guys. In this affordable range you will get this product, and it is similar to Good Vibes का charcoal face mask. I think yeah, Good Vibes में भी charcoal face mask आता है, सेम उसी का कंसिस्टेंसी, एंड इसका कंसिस्टेंसी सेम है, बट ये ट्यूब में मिलेंगे आपको. वो एक जार की टाइप है होते हैं, उस जार में मिलेंगे. So you will get 29 grams of product, and I have used it once, and yeah, this works really great, guys. For this price, it's really worth the price. So if you want to try this out, you can try this out. So yeah, this is which product I lost the count. So yeah, this is the next product which I have purchased. Next I have purchased this Mamaearth Micellar Water Foaming Makeup Remover with rose water and glycolic acid. So this is basically a micellar water, makeup remover with some. And this is how the product looks like, and I have already used it. And you have different variants in this range. I have purchased the rose water one, and you will get the silicone, and you will get this silicone which all that. So you will get this silicone brush to remove all the makeup, and it retails for rupees 400. So, and you can reuse this bottle because it kind of opens up. So once it is finished, you can refill it with your own micellar water and face wash, and you can mix it up and you can use it again. So yeah, the packaging was reusable. So I love the packaging because it is a reusable bottle and you can refill it. So this is the next product which I have purchased, and you will also get a cap to secure it, like this. So I think that's it. And next I have purchased, so yeah, let's include some makeup too. I have purchased this Nykaa.
A few moments later.
Just this Nykaa's new launch, the mascara, which is a volumizing or lengthening mascara. Sorry, it's a lengthening mascara, not volumizing. It is Like It Long waterproof like lengthening mascara. It will looks like this. Very soon I will share the review of this product. So next I have purchased the Maybelline Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation in the shade 128. And it retails for around 600, I think so, but yeah, it retails for around 750, around 800. But on the discount from Purple, I have purchased it for rupees 500 around. उस पे 33% डिस्काउंट चल रहा था, तो मैंने ले लिया. This is I'm in the shade 128. And the last product which I have purchased is the PAC 215 concealer brush. I will show you and I will add the clip over here. So yeah, that's all for today guys. Hope you like this video and hope it is helpful. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also share your valuable opinions in the comment section down below. And so yeah, thank you so much for watching guys. So yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.